Trap. Bitch, I'ma rip this shit until my casket hit the dirt. Hey, you a jerk. I get paid on the first. My little niggas beef for will, bitch, I get paid for a verse. And you see me on this stage, bitch, I got paid for this work. Drill Levert, hit a nigga with this 6-piece, watch it hurt. I got feeling this, but I won't stop this chop, I'm spitting first. I fell off and got back with a quarter ounce, look how shit working. I stepped fresh up out of court, right in your bitch, I took a perk. My white boy in the nation shooting threes like he dirt. Me and Dooma hit the road and bring back peas like we lurch. I still can hit up sleep and make my nigga go berserk. And if you scared of going fed, then put this shit down, go to church. A yellow bone, she bad, she your complexion, she a hurt. Put a one on top of one and press it up and let it twerk. 100 miles and running, bitch, my family get it first. I got a scheduled date to Flint with an old bitch I used to flirt.